Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. If you have tuned into this channel for the first time, then I welcome you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma, the Seraphic Star, a tarot card reader, numerologist and a spiritual healer. You're watching birthday special series for people who have their birthdays today on 2nd of August. Wishing you a beautiful birthday to all who have their birthdays today on 2nd August. Do share with your friends, family and loved ones to make their day little special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Now, quickly, let's talk about the personality number and the lucky crystals for the people who have their birthdays today. Based on your date of birth, your personality number is 2. Number 2 is ruled by moon and the element is water. And also, the number 2 is the most feminine number of all the numbers, which gives you a sensitive and intuitive energy. The number 2 people are very friendly, loving, helpful, occasionally moody, and they tend to have a greater respect for the world of emotions, feelings, and intuitions, and likely have an uncanny ability to recognize the more subtle things in life and the often hidden motives of others. Also, I have observed that people who have their personality number as 2 enjoy working in non-competitive environment and always love to help people around them. Lucky crystals for people who have their birthdays today: sardonyx, peridot and pink or green tourmaline. I have listed a website in the description box below where you can go and shop a lucky crystal for yourself. Remember, this is a general guidance. If you would like to know more about yourself, your destiny number, your friendly numbers, the missing numbers, then you can connect and take a personal numerology session. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Now, let's see what energy and guidance the fairies have for your upcoming year. So, the first card here represents the theme or the energy of the upcoming 6 months. The second card here represents the lessons and the strengths that you're going to have in the upcoming year. Now, the third card is the ultimate potential. So, the first card here is the 6 of Spring, which shows the theme of your upcoming 6 months. This is one of the most positive cards of Minor Arcana and talks about, being successful. Whatever you talk about, be it relationships, business, job, exams, competitive exams, anything, it only talks about good news, celebration and the wonderful time coming ahead. So even if things aren't going right for you now, just know that you are going in the right direction. Just keep moving ahead with your plans. This card shows success, just like I said before, but you need to stay focused on the outcome you want. Set your intention and then continue until the finish line is crossed. You are still on your path. You have not reached the finish line yet. The success is there, but all you need to do is just to stay focused and stay positive. The fairies are advising you to keep a positive, forward-thinking mindset. This is not the time to give up. You are almost there. If any of you have been waiting for a promotion, career change, opportunity or even a reward, then definitely your hard work and efforts are going to get the desired recognition, and you could also receive an offer from someone to help you if things are not going in the right direction. Just stay focused on your goal. Now, coming to the second card. The second card is the 4 of Spring, another spring card. And stars, that spring is the season when the creation begins, the exciting things start to happen, flowers bloom and they fill our heart with the hope. So I do see, you have a lot of, both the cards are here as the spring card. So there is going to be a lot of passion and action when it comes to your business, your job, your passions, things that make you very happy. So just be grateful. The first advice is, just to be grateful. This is a very beautiful card, and the learning here, like I said, to be grateful. Just be grateful for whatever you have, no matter how little or small those things are. Just be grateful. Remember, to change your life fast, you need to be grateful, and the gratitude shifts your energy, your focus only onto the good things. And when you put all of your energy into gratitude, you will see miracles taking place in your life. So many good things are happening for you here. For some of you, I also feel, getting married or getting those final proposals getting done, or moving into a new home, a time full of celebrations, could be attending the wedding ceremonies, baby shower, or other parties. I strongly have this message that this is going to bring you a lot of happiness, peace, and content in life. So just make the most of this time and enjoy this blessings coming your way. Now, the third card is the ultimate potential, which is the Fool. I feel a lot of you would be ready to embark on a new journey in your life, but this card for some of you would also be a alert or a wake-up call for you, for the people starting new business or taking a new path in life, to make sure that before you take this leap of faith, you take into account all kind of practical and calculated risk. Once you do consider and calculate all your risk, then the fairies are advising you to joyfully move ahead with confidence, trusting yourself, trusting your dreams, to find your path and your life purpose. Do you know, the tarot is all about the Fool's journey in his life. And this card is showing a new journey full of joy, adventure, happiness into your life. I feel that some of you are going to do something very unconventional, something that you have never done before. Remember, the future lies in the unknown. If we would keep doing what we are doing now, then our life would become very much predictable. So, shining stars, that's all that I have for you. Just stay focused and optimistic on your goal. You are on the right path. Practice gratitude, celebrate the little things in your life, trust your dreams, and create a life full of joy, happiness, blessings, and love. Have a magical birthday, sending you all the divine love, light, peace, blessings, and abundant energies. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Also, do drop in your date of birth in the comment section below to know about your personality number. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then I have mentioned my Instagram handle in the description box below. You can connect with me. Thank you and namaste.